All right, on to the scary part. All the different angles of the face and how to draw them. I'm only kidding. It's not scary at all. Once you understand the geometry, once you start seeing the skull and the face in their three-dimensional form, all we're doing is we're just tilting the same shape a little bit. We can rotate it on either axis and we can tilt it in any direction. So to help you understand all of the most common angles of the face that we deal with, I drew this schematic for you. So let's go over it. In the middle, of course, we have our very basic frontal view. You know all about that. Going to the left, we have the head turning on the same axis, but to his right. This is our 3/4 view with a head turn, and this is our profile view. Same thing happens on the other side of the page. Going up, we have the head tilted back, and going down, we have the head tilted down. And of course, on the left and the right, we have our heads that are either looking up or looking down, also turned in the same way as the 3/4 view. Notice that we have our vertical axis and the centrally placed faces are perfectly along it. And we have our horizontal axis. Of course, you recognize that structure with the eyeballs and the lines coming down to the corners of the mouth. But notice that I have two main guidelines here. One of them is the line that goes through the centers of the eyeballs, and the other one marks up where the eyebrows are. Notice that on our horizontal lineup, where the head turns left and right but doesn't tilt, these lines continue through all the faces. So all the eyes are on the same line and all the eyebrows are on the same line. Now, when the head is actually tilted up, these lines become bowed, and that's where that angle comes from. That's how we determine where to place the eyes. And the same thing where the face is looking down. Those two lines, they're now bowed. They're no longer horizontal. Now let's take a look at what happens to our vertical center line as the head turns. We get a new kind of a bow. And that bow is the same for every turn of the head, regardless if the head is looking up or down. This is our frontal view. That's looking up. Frontal view, looking down. Frontal view, turn to the right 3/4 view. Profile view, back to 3/4. Tilt down, back to 3/4. Tilt up. So if you're excited about drawing, if you've ever wondered if you could do it, if you just want to try and see if you can draw, I guarantee you after this course, you will. If you already draw and wish to take your skills a little further, this course is great for you as well. I bet you I will teach you some things you did not know. And once you're in the Academy, check out some other courses that are already available to start or pre-order. I can't wait to see you in class. Bye!